Hi everyone, I'm Margot McKinnon from Body Harmonics, and I want to welcome you today to part 2 of hip joint exercises. So last time we looked at mobilizing exercises. Today we're going to focus on stabilizing exercises. Okay, so there's a particular group we want to pay attention to around the side and the back, and then we're also going to do one for the front. So I want you to start down on your side. Okay, now I'm going to have my head up so I can talk to you. You make sure you rest your head right down on the ground. So legs are bent at 45 degrees. I'm going to ask you to lift the top leg a little tiny bit, and then the knee lifts and turns to the back. It's not very big, not a big motion. And then down. And if you find you need to make it smaller, that's totally fine. What you want to go for here is the feeling of the muscles back here, lifting and lowering the leg. Okay? So a little lifting motion, lowering motion, lifting and lowering. One more time, lift. And one more time to lower, and then down. Okay, I'm going to come up. So there's going to be a little bit of flip-flopping here today as we do both sides. Okay, so down again, 45 degrees for the legs. Lift the top one a little bit, and then that knee turning up and back, and then down. Turning up and back and down, up and back and down. So focusing here as if you were turning from the hip itself, right? Really working through the buttock muscles at the side and the back. Okay, we'll do one more here. Knee going up and back. And then down. Lower the leg. Come on over now on your hands and knees. You're going to make a little downward dip in the lower back just to make sure the spine and pelvis are neutral. Elbows bend a tiny bit to keep you strong in the upper body. And you're going to reach one leg straight back. Okay. You're lifting the leg without collapsing in the spine. That's a totally different exercise. It's a good one, but it's different. Okay, so lowering the leg down, you're going to lift just the leg and down. Lift just the leg and down. Okay, so feel for the back of the hip, the buttock muscles again. Some of you will feel the back of the thigh. That's fine as well. Okay. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Okay, we're going to switch sides here. Okay. So check that little dip in the small of your back. Slide the other leg back and lift. Without any change in the spine, and down. A little lift and lower, and lift and lower. Buttock muscles, back of thigh muscles. Lift and lower. We'll do one more. Lift, lower, and both knees in. Okay, I'm going to turn back to lie down. And this last one here works through the front. I'm going to do 2 versions. First one, just lifting the bent leg. Okay? And then back down. Now the key here is trying to stay level through the pelvic area. Okay, so staying level, the leg lifts and lowers and lifts Other side. So 3 times the little lift and lower, staying steady and stable through the pelvic area. And one last one. Lift and lower. Second version, you stretch the leg out long. From the hip, you lift and lower. Okay, same idea, pelvic area staying really steady and stable. Only thing moving is that long leg. Okay, so if you find this one hard to control, just go back to the bent leg version. Okay, we're going to switch legs. Stretch the other one out. Staying steady. And you lift and lower. Lift again and lower. Last time, lifting, lowering, and bend. Okay, so I'm going to come up to sit now. So there are 3 exercises that help build stability around the hips. So thanks for joining me for part 2. And if you like what you saw, think it might be useful for someone, please share and make sure you subscribe to our channel. That would be awesome. Thanks.